Welcome back. Here with Halftime Report. Sameet Chavan of Angel Broking joins in for a technical check on the market. Sameet, good afternoon. The stock I want to talk to you about first is some of the oil marketing companies actually. So BPCL is in your stock list. Its stock is at a 52-week high today, past that 930 mark almost. What kind of levels do you see higher up from here?
Good afternoon. Since last 4 to 5 trading sessions, crude has fallen substantially, hence all the OMC's stocks are on a roll. But we would like to take a contra bet here. We are seeing some price extension ratios around 925, 930 and expect the stock to face a strong lesson around it. We would like to take a contra bet, as I said, by keeping a stop loss of 952 as we expect immediate correction towards 900, 890.
Okay, can you take us through Hero now?
This stock consolidated in a range of 2500 to 2580 and today it has given a breakout from this condition zone. Volumes looks good, hence considering the overall chart structure, we expect the stock to resume its higher degree uptrend and hence our target would be 2680 and stop loss for Hero Motor can be kept at 2540.
Okay, and clearly that's your pick in this space because on Bajaj Auto you're choosing to go with a short call?
Yes, chart structure are different than the Hero Motor. The stock is now approaching its strong resistance zone of 2600, 2650. On Friday, we witnessed bearish pattern around 2600, 2590. Looking at the overall chart structure and extreme overbought condition of momentum oscillator, we expect near-term correction in Bajaj Auto. Stop loss can be kept at 2650 and we have a target of 2500.
Okay, I'm a little intrigued by your sell call on BPCL. That stock is at what, all-time highs or is it just 52-week highs?
Yes, it's at all-time high. As I said, we are seeing a strong resistance around 920, 925 and we don't expect the stock to sustain beyond 930, 935. Hence, we are taking a contra bet for a near-term
Sorry, Sameet, what I meant is it therefore only for the day or is this a positional bet?
Yes, it's purely a positional bet for at least next 4 to 5 trading sessions.
Okay, what about something like a Crompton Greaves? The stock is up about 3% in trade today and for the year it's actually not done a lot. It's lost about 10%. Do you think it could be, it could have some more steam for the rest of the year or maybe in the short term?
Yes, as you rightly said, this stock has been a laggard since last couple of months, but today we are seeing a good traction. The stock has managed to give a breakout from its important resistance of 170. Volumes are also picked up, so we believe that the stock is likely to move towards 180, 181 over the next few trading sessions, and we are keeping a protective stop loss at 164.
Okay, it's not the best of days for banks, but you have a buy on Canara.
Yes, from the banking space, we would prefer PSU banks over private bank, and from the PSU banks, Canara Bank is our preferred pick. Recently, the recent correction from the higher levels precisely halted around its December 2013 highs of 274, and in last couple of weeks, the stock rebounded twice from its 274 low. So we believe that this is a formation of double bottom, and going forward, we expect immediate up move toward 306. Stop loss can be kept below this low of 274.
Alright, Sameet, what about your disclosures?
Whatever stocks we discuss, I don't hold them personally, but clients might be having positions.
Alright, Sameet, thanks very much for joining in with your picks. So let's quickly read them out for you and recap them. Sameet has a buy call on Crompton Greaves where he recommends a stop loss of 164 for a target of 181. Another buy call coming in is on Hero Motor Corp where the stop loss he sees is at 2540 and a target 2680. From the banking space, he recommends a buy on Canara Bank with a stop loss at 274 for a target of 306. And on the sell side, Sameet has two recommendations. BPCL, which is a contra call, he says, a stop loss of 952 for a target of 900. And finally, Bajaj Auto, where a stop loss can be placed at 2650 for a target of 2500.
Well, let's take a break on that note, but not before leaving you with some fundamental ideas coming from a master of all markets.